Hi, good morning everyone. Dati ti parkingan patek submit di Maui kadwa ni Madam. Ano, ada budget mo lang.
Good morning. Nandito na yung budget natin.
Bawa ta. Ate basket mo ipakita ma.
Oh, guwapo dati basket ka.
Nagkapo.
Nabayag dito ng ingunguto ka. Aging
Meron.
gata, nabiyag pa ay.
Sige.
Simple lang. Nung tayag palingke, dati lang tibagkaw.
Dati bani ka na ready.
Mhm.
May tanasa pa.
Nagudupay ko magtigan parking.
Apo. Submit. Ebe. Ano gatamin? Pang pinakbait.
Ang pinakbet kin sinigang.
Sinigang. Apo.
Sinigang na salmon belly.
Oh yeah. And salmon.
Sinigang sa miso. Paborito ko.
Pagawa. Admission. Pandala.
Thank you so much. Everyone. Good morning. I get called. Yes, photo please. Thank you.
That's it. And floating. Nice fire. Wala mga sabong natin?
Santan.
Oh, santan.
Focus mo. Okay.
Kita sana.
Santan natin.
Santan na lang.
Mm-mm.
Sila plastic. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Muna natin ka naman. Yeah.
No, but I go by the thing. The policy.
Okay. Buko. Uh, Tinta sana. Nanay lumpia.
Meron
Nanay
tayo,
lumpia.
nanay, lumpia.
Hey,
May talbos. Kamatis,
ay
talbos.
nalaka.
Talbos.
Oh yan. Ay yung mabalingay ko ana. Mabalingay mula ito, pay.
Ano?
Yeah, mabalingay mula ito ko ana.
Talbos. Mabalim mo.
Jelly ko doon na.
Natangka. Meron na natangka ng dito.
Yeah.
Ay, no, may sili. Kuha tayo.
Mga laka.
Pang sinigang.
Sili. Sa'yo man na ito.
3.
Oh, yeah. Auntie kamatis na, naibusan.
Wala yan. Wala na yan.
Ano yung mas dito?
Ah, may okra doon. Kuha tayo.
Pwede.
Oh, $5 per bag. Pero malilit eh. $5 to. Nandito ko
Ano yung
kunin
mas
ka.
$5 mag-ino.
Ganun talaga. Marami naman na kasi.
Ano yung lokmot ta?
Doon sa sinigang natin.
Sinigang? Pabali na ta?
Sa... Dagaang katang. Nadagaang. Hampay, pag gusto lang dati, hampay na kainan. Napangkin ko na ko.
Akong kamatis yung... Ano mo kamatis?
How about luya?
Oh,
Awan ti kamatis tayo, nanay? Ay,
Wala.
bus na daw. Ito yung, seller ba to?
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Celery ay may stem.
May stem pa po yun. Yung, magkano po yung talbos ng kamuti, nay?
Abiyan ang sadalas.
may atatay mula dito ko.
Para $10 naman.
Magkano, Nay, mahal na mahal ko po yung bag ko. So, $5. Oh, tama tayo. Ito may hangin. Nice. Thank you po. Medyo... Ay, plastic na pala.
Ano?
Good day po.
Ano?
Lagay ko muna dito.
Ba't ang ano may batit?
Eh, ito na lang kasi gulay yan. Gulay
Okay.
ko sa malaki. Yung kamatis na lang. Yan. Let me just ask. Oh, that's so cute. Let me just ask this.
Kaya aramidin ni ba, ni Susan.
Hmm. Oh, 35. Oh, so cute.
Manata, 35?
$35.
Ah,
It's so cute. Oh, I get the pink. Oh, this is a. Oh, how much is that? It's 25. Oh, I see.
pang ninang. Mga nakakasar.
Yeah, it's so, with the butterfly. Oh, yun. Parang Pilipino. Nakabulero na to. Puta mo tama pagka-sleeveless yung damit eh. Ah, yun natin yan. That's so cute. Look,
Aga.
tama-tama to.
Bagay ka niya?
Pareho din po ba to? 25. Ang ganda nito eh. Ah, kalam ko lang.
Dapat pagpigagan din.
Oo nga. Ay, nako, may previous size. Gaganda. Okay, next time. Yan o, ang gandang print to. Yung black. Magkano po kuya yung shirts mo po? Oh, XL. Opo. Oh, cute. It's XL. Ah, meron na pala. Ang ganda. Mukhang gusto
Nice.
ko. Thanks po.
Thank you.
Balikan na lang natin.
Hanapay ka tayo. Kamatis.
Oo. Purebred. Hi. Thank you.
Hi.
That's so cool.
Poncho, I have in 2 different colors.
Yan na yung ano, yung pang ano ko sa buhok. Pang taas.
Ano everything $1. 645.
Ay, nasira na. Butterfly.
Baby, come over here.
What? I take this.
Wait. Just
Ito yung matigas to eh. Good luck. I'll take one. This is chili. Price here. It's $1.
$1 na.
And I'll get this. It's supposed to be bigger though. Hey. Where are you? Oh, pointers. This one is for anything.
Pinipang ko. Pag keyword ko. Pinabro.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it so much. Thank you. Oh, this is the color. Just the color. But I get the colorful one.
You want the bag?
I need a bigger one for the thing. Then I get this.
Six items for $5. Mix and match and all that all there. All three tables. They're both on the table.
Mga lakatin yung mga ako. Items.
Yeah, I
Tatlo
get-
$5.
Need a basket.
I get oh
6 items for $5.
Pares lang natin na yun. Kulay.
no, this one is for depends your color of the
Okay.
dress. This one for the colorful one.
Hmm.
Two. I get four. Get one more item to get.
No, inim di alam, tapos $5 no.
Oh, okay.
Tamay sa
I
giveaway.
get two more items to,
Yeah.
to choose. Oh, look, so cute. Okay, let me go this way. Oh, we need to get one less. No,
Yeah, yun na. Yun.
no, didn't need to.
Kaduyente Airport.
How about this? Can opener.
Paglukat ni beer.
Sorry. This is all the big.
Oh, there's no egg.
Okay, sure.
Oh, but you can go look though if you like.
Do,
I know in the middle.
you want me to get yellow? We'll get you one.
No, I don't need that, bro. I don't need it.
I'm looking for one more thing.
Everything is $1. You can get 6 items for 5. Good gifts for everybody back home. Wherever you're from. Where you
Yeah, get the pineapple and the stuff. It says I love you. I think we have enough. I get
All over.
three. Oh, one more. One more stuff for $5. You
So,
want?
so bag is $1 too.
No, that's the only one. That one today, it's $15.
15.
Last week was 20.
Okay.
This week 15.
15.
Says everything in the front, that's why.
Only this one. This is in the
Yeah,
side.
it's-
That one, or you can get that one. You ready? You said 6. Yeah, 6 for $5.
I can get one more clip for my hair. Then.
Yeah. Oh, anyone?
Oh, this
Anyone?
is so
Like this is the
cute.
cutest. Mix and match.
Oh, this is just one each.
Hi, you want a basket? 6 items for $5. Thank you.
6 pieces for 5, 12 pieces for 10. Buy everyone back home again. Buy yourself a bag.
Hit me with that. Hit me with
Dad, you like this?
Buy yourself a
$1.
bag.
Dad, you want this one for magnet? It says Maui. You want this one?
Nah, I don't want anything. Phew, pwede pag kung gusto mo lang mo na.
Sure, you get that one. Get me one there for my
Okay.
hair. But look like I like this one. This is a magnetic. It says Maui.
You don't need that, bro. Pwede pag kung gusto mo lang.
Get me one more in there. That's the one I need. To clip up. This one is a keychain, Dad.
You know, you like anything, everything's $1, okay? You see.
Get me one more like this on that side, so I could go pay. Get me one more like this. Get me one more like this in there.
Hmm.
Get 5. Oh, sure. Oh, there you go. I think that's for the hair too. I think I need one more for. Oh, they're so cute. It's hair tie.
Why?
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, yan, it was, what am I doing?
Oh, $5.
So one, back like that.
Just $5.
$5.
You got six items.
Thank you so much.
One, two, three.
Thank you so much for coming in.
5 pieces, yes. Thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah, pretty much.
We started over that corner. That was
Hi. How much is the one in the outside? Oh, I see. It might be same with that one. Just the print. Just the print one. Oh, cool.
All the
Next.
big ones.
All the big ones.
Yes.
And the wallet is 22 for sun. Oh, it's for sunglasses. It's so cool. Ah, thank you so much. It's all handmade. Handmade swimming, yes.
Sige, man.
22. It's for like sunglasses
Oh,
case. Oh, this is the one I'm looking. It's cool.
quilted.
Oh, it's not. Let me see
They're
how much.
$33.
It's 47. I love this one. I like this. Oh, I'll get this one next time then. It's 47 though.
47 ata.
Yeah, it's 47.
No, they got them on sale. 35.
Oh, really? Wow. I'll put this on budget next time. I like this one that because it's I can put it inside my bag or use it just this one.
Man. Ano, 50 na yun.
Is there a zipper or just open? Try look.
Oh, ano, okay.
Oh, no more zipper.
38.
But this one without zipper, yeah?
Yeah, no zipper.
Oh, just open.
Yeah,
Oh,
no
okay.
zipper on all of them. Yeah.
Oh, thank you with the zipper. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, this one different here. Okay. Oh, okay. This I like this one. Oh, you're on sale with this. I like this print as
Oh,
well.
you like that?
Yeah, it matches with that.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. Oh,
yeah.
you like the yellow?
Yes. Oh, I didn't get for. Okay, maybe next week for this.
Yeah.
I
we're
didn't
so-
know
we're-
this.
we're next, every Saturday.
Every Saturday. Gotcha. Thank you. Okay, so next time that one. Huh?
Yeah.
I like that. I like that print daddy. That one next time. Di ba, inom no $45?
Inom.
Manong item lang dito.
Siya, man. Nga naman yun.
Ha? Tama, nakalak dito eh.
Okay.
Ilan ka dito? Tama, bila. Ano dito naalak?
Okay.
Kita. Oh, this is 3. Oh, so inom. Yan. Uray mapupot ang isa dyan. Kaya adam ko kailangan.
Video ko na.
3 for 30.
Fine art.
You want something? Oh, wow.
Good morning.
Thank you.
You made it yourself?
Yeah, try not to, but these days I got my two boys that help me out with it.
Oh,
And
okay.
sanding, you know.
Wow, so nice.
It's really a work of art. Fine art.
Yeah.
You guys from the island? You visiting?
Oh, we live here.
Really there.
Born and raised?
Uh, more than where I live, where I come from.
Oh.
Yeah. That's why we knew the
share
things
this with you.
now. Oh, that's all right. Thank you.
Yeah.
That one is very nice. I like the two Those, it's just like
Oh,
a
those
family.
whales. Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
new
the
one. I'm
whales.
just
Yeah,
finishing. I'm gonna work on that one in just a moment.
that's the one. It goes to my eye when
Yeah,
I get
that one
in.
is gonna be really.
Yeah, that's good for the, yeah,
And
for
it has some
home.
dolphins in it also.
Yeah.
This is a koa wood.
That's coral wood. These are monkey pod.
Oh,
The one
monkey
on the
pot.
top
Yeah,
and one on the bottom is coral wood.
Really?
kind of like
The man's
pumas.
face is Milo.
What's that?
Oh,
Milo.
Oh,
Nilo. Yeah.
It's a very sacred wood for the blind people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I see.
Yeah, I've been doing this here on the island since 1983.
Really?
Oh,
Wow.
really?
But
Same age with
Chris,
my.
you had the talent already, like with back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
And
been
then you
doing it
make
for,
him like
for many years, but then I discovered this wood. I mean, this wood is just so.
yeah.
Mm.
Which one is easier to curb? That
It depends on the tree. I mean, because
okay.
there's some
On the
wood
age
that
of the
goes
tree.
like this, you know, that's
Mm.
very tricky, like this piece right out here. This one's going to be shipped to Saskatchewan, Canada.
Oh, in
Oh, somebody
Canada.
bought it already.
Yeah, they bought that one
And
already.
how much is that?
That was 15,000.
15 grand. Oh my
And this
goodness.
is their fourth.
That's a
So they
15
bought that
grand.
one already.
Yeah, cause I work at the luau. So when I get in, that's the one I really seen. That's the first in my eye.
$15,000.
That one's going to be around 4,200.
Okay.
That's not the gallery price. That's
The,
swap meet price.
that's the swap meet price.
Yeah,
Yeah. But that one, if you finish that and that's for the gallery, I'll give you
Yeah,
more.
You sold one of this and you're good for a month,
yeah. Yeah, I mean,
right?
Gotcha. Mm.
and business has been
So
very
this
good.
is your model.
These are small little pieces that people can buy for $20 a piece,
I see.
and not everyone can afford $15,000. So
Yeah.
That's
I
right.
see these. Do you know what they call the turtles in Hawaiian language?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
what is it?
Turtle.
For the turtle.
They're called honu.
Oh, ono.
Honu. Yeah.
Oh, ono.
Oh
So the
no.
name of this piece is Every Day is a Honu piece. Hey,
Oh,
welcome.
it's like
Yeah, good, very good. You have any questions? Let me know.
Yeah, that's so
Every day is a whole
nice.
new day.
so every
Yeah.
piece of this is like one of a kind, right? You
Yeah.
don't duplicate it. It depends.
Well, I've done turtles many times before,
Yeah.
as you can see, but the grain of the wood and the wood itself.
It's a handmade, so it's it's
It's
unique
not
by its own.
reproduced by a machine.
Exactly, yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that's the beauty of it.
Wow.
That makes it
Now these are done with a
15,000.
laser machine that goes cuts it out. But every grain of wood is different, so and they're
Right.
only $20.
Yeah. Oh, it's really made of wood. Huh?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see. Look,
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, you can tell, huh?
$20.
It's beautiful.
They sell out all the time.
Mm.
Are you the one used to have your what do you call it? In Lahaina? No.
I used to be in Lahaina for over 20 years.
Yeah.
That's why you look familiar.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
So what happened to your art over there during the fire?
No, I left before the fire.
Oh,
I kinda got
okay.
out, but, it still breaks my heart.
Of course,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, of course. Yeah.
Up to now, it's still
Mm.
It's
like
still
that.
very,
It can
very
take
sad.
like
It's a sad thing for me.
at
Oh, this is
least
the one.
10 years.
Oh,
This one's
is
about
the diamond.
abundance.
Abundance. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
let me. Ah, it's for.
So
Yeah.
That's a sign for abundance.
represents eternity, and it
Yeah.
represents abundance.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's I gotcha. This is the
Infinity.
one.
So
Oh,
that
okay.
helps to remind you that yes, you're abundant. Money comes to you easy.
Money,
Life,
yeah.
life is good.
Yeah.
I'll get this next time
This
because
is like
I
the
didn't have it in
same
the
what you
budget.
have in there, yeah? Was it inspired
Yeah,
with?
Abundance.
different
Like
code. I mean, a different. This one has the eagle and the dolphin. This is just hair,
oh, okay.
but kind of the same thing. Yeah.
And who's this? That's
Woman.
to do.
This is man.
Oh, just a woman and
Male,
man.
female. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's not like King Kamehameha or
No, he Tinkerman didn't look like that.
You know,
Or you
yeah,
can
yeah,
symbolize like a husband and wife.
Husband and wife.
Yeah.
yeah. Man,
Sailing through life.
Sailing
together.
through life together.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh, wow.
perfect.
Right.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
very
you so
welcome.
Appreciate it.
much for
Yeah.
your time.
You will.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You good for the day. You get 15 grand already.
I'll get that for next time. Thank you. Wow, that's so nice. Can I take that last next time? The abundance sign. I really looking for that.
Cold brew.
Did you get the picture with that with the abundance sign? The 8.
I have video.
Cause yeah, cause remember we get married and look at that. It's a lovely.
1 pound of Filipino lechon.
You're drinking water. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hi.
How much is the cold brew? Java matcha.
Just black.
Oh, black?
Smells really good.
You wanna get the cold brew?
No, I'm good.
Oh,
I
Oh,
just
you're
have my.
good. You're good.
That's my.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a little melty.
Once you're there, everything's cheap.
Oh, so lychee.
So you're good.
Let's go.
Hindi ko talaga tayo isang yun eh, kahit kung mandamagin mo. Basta reject na ni Shane.
Yeah.
Kasi ating bagot to. Hanggang mabig-big ni Shane. Kapan na slow
Siya naging matang.
Dito. Yung kabel na
Inatangan na
di
yun.
store di likod. Mapakinabangan dito. Alam,
Say mo na Hello Kitty.
ano na. 1 for 6 or 2 for 10. Ne, huwag matao sa mga lakuma.
Bagay sa akin.
Probably run to the back. 1 for 6. Yeah,
Papananda pa.
I'll get next time.
Tita banda.
Pagkasit ang daban ng kamatis, yapan din.
Data.
Or dito na lang. Oh,
Ah, sige.
yun kasi gusto kong tignan yung ano kabel. Dito naman yung mga yung mga maliliit na items ng kwan. 1 for 2. Oh, everything.
9 for 15.
For $2. 3 for 5.
Oh, nalaklakad niya namin. $1. So, kaduguan.
Yeah, yeah. January. Dito bracelet. Dito, marami naman kasi sa kabila. What's that canvas? Dad,
Aloha.
aloha. Ay, say aloha.
Okay, atin mo pang gagapas.
Para yan atong.
$15.
Hi, how much the bag on the left hand side? Is that yours still?
Which one?
The aloha leg, just like you have.
15. How many more, right? I got one.
One more left.
One. Only one left.
Stand.
Yeah, feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
The hula girl. That's a canvas po. Ate. Try it. I don't Oh,
How
it's
much is
just
that?
get the
Oh yeah.
zipper.
Mano ba na? 15?
Could we have kumain na? Hilag namin. Suppose dalawa na lang. I like this with the zipper. Which one you like?
Oh, nice.
I like this with the zipper. How much it get for two?
They're normally 18.
Normally, this is our Trader Joe. Because even the other side is they love the Trader Joe. Oh, I don't have. I got only 25 in my hand. So that's okay. That's a bag already. Thank you very much. I'll see you again next week. Thank you. Appreciate it. Gotcha.
Dua ginagawa mo? Which is...
Solve na ako sa August nito, brother.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ito yung print na gusto ko, Dad. Look. De.
Astor chicken pork. Asada.
Quick ate, yung apron magkano po? How much the apron? 60. 60. For the flower print. Ah, wait. Okay. I couldn't see any price in there. Ah, this is good. Because I like this print. But it's going to be for my next week. I get the bag for today. Thank you. Love you. Take care. Thank you.
It's flavored balsamic
oh.
vinegar. Is this made here?
So we got the base from Italy, and we just flavors here.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
That's more likely like Hawaiian.
I can have one musubi, Dad.
The what?
One musubi.
You like? Go. Go on, if you're hungry. Go eat. It's yours, I think.
Yes.
So we have a plain and a teriyaki.
Oh, I'll try with the teriyaki. Thanks. Oh, same price with the teriyaki. Thank you. Oh, get the food. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready na ako magbenta doon sa Isabela. Daddy,
Huh?
may apron na ako, may bag na ako. Mana-mana, jungle. Naghahanap ako ng ng $3 na kamatis. Doon yata banda pa ganun natin.
Baka naibusin.
Siyempre,
Puro pati yan.
puro kod ko yun.
Jewelry.
Dry area. Doon na tayo.
Okay.
Kakaibag ko lang ng dito. Kopi naman yung mga kanila.
Kaya nga man.
Para maswerte itong bag ko na to.
Akin na ito.
Hindi ako na. Nasa shoulder ko na dali. Relax mo muna yung ano. Lalagay ko lang dito sa bag.
Ah,
Para sa aso. Manang
Shivers.
lettuce. Baga-biga mo, Manang. Ay! Dati Trader Joe tayo, nagmayatay. Simangkwit akong Manang. Lord, hindi pa lang ko apay manot ka to. Presyo sa trader sa bank. Bamta Trader Joe, anak nga ko ate kay ko pa dati Trader Joe tayo, dati Trader Joe tayo. No da ang ipasalubong agad apresyar ka. But no kakit siyempre kay ko pa lang suportaran di ko ate. Dati ni nagpinta sa suwi kastoy. Ay, dati nate. Apa sagmamalakom kasi ate. Ah, that's nice. Tatak mo lang nga ako may tisok mate manon. Una ate di may kampimanang. Apa man dati dakto ko da. Oh, I see. Nadwa no ka 30 no ka pumayam nate. Amok tuma minsan jak mo naman makaumay kita. Jak nang awan ti budget na. Adan to no maminsan. Ala our Trader Joe here. The best. Hawaii aloha. Napintas dati red. Ah, this one look. Last one, purple. Aloha. Okay. Please, meta dapo inamot kit sa ako.
Dying.
Nagpud, di ka naman, sobra pudot na. Lalo. Una, lalo lang na di ka naman, sobra pudot na. Aging ka rabiing. Nakapudpudot pa lang. Ita ko.
Dahil pang ubing na.
Oo nga, nag-cute na. Karakin ni ko. Kay baro ni Dang Mile. Apay may tamanang ka. Ni Manong. Ay, nagawi. Ato no, madam-dam. Ikaw to budget na next week. So, siya mo na. Napinda sa dakil ta ako. Diyan ka mo, they're going crazy with the Trader Joe. But isap sa pulong ba't da ito, yung Trader Joe. Ngam kayat ko na, the zipper na kuma di Trader Joe. Dapat awan. Dati mo, da tiyempo, mabalimit ang siguro zipper na atin. Ganda pa yun. Online naglako. Oo, namin ka siyempre kung nada yung pilpilaan ni mo, masapa ka mga mapan. Yes. Pasaray may salang pilpalo. When ano. Kaya nagtay sa mga. Ay, adya babasit manang. Manutik. Adya ka babasitan. 14 si may sangin mo duwa. At least duwan 25 na tayo. Wala kang mayatan ikaw pagta so ti may met nga ipasalubong kung tuwan. Kahit ko dati pink and purple no po ate. Oy. Anak mo naman nagpasalubong mo sa trading. Hindi lang talaga kadwang ba't nga makatulong ako sa sponsor ko mo sa nasa digdahan ka no. Sabi, bagla nga pa mo, iyawat mo kas pangarigan ka. Basta, hamata kasi din ako.
Ano pa namin nito kay Mart? Mga awit sa
Kada ito siguro, ano, dati anniversary, 2 months, abot ko na yung taga. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang tayo. Huwag mo ito na. Tanong, kakit mabalin mo nga ipasasabay ka niya.
44.
At nga may kibaro nga kwata ito kada ito. So, nagkanya madan-anayin na kat masinde dyan, ikon lang yung kat makatulong. Plus, nagsitukot. Kitangkot, pinas ka na talaga ba dito? Nagbaliwan na ba? Mayat na dyan.
patay nakasamot na
At least, no, lalo na ambassador kan ate, may nakita nung dati lang timang patay, dati ko, tarip kin shipping fee, so tikon na. Mayat na makapagtitinulong ka, tada ko mati BCOT dito, mas malakaan tayo ate. Jadi bagbagada kanya, but I still need to earn, not that easy.
Diyan ka mo nung papilang Minas.
Ni ka Nestor,
Nag-member mo tayo.
ni Guinness, naman da mo, nuhan da active ko tandang na ko. Pag mabalin ka ka ko, full life data kosta. But agak active mo. Barang danto man kasi man kahit kung dati kasi. Kami kat kanda. Nabaybag nila sa ron. Kapag pag-isulbit sa gamit ba? Magsaya ato ang na. Dagiti mayad. Mausap namin na talaga ako dyan.
Pagkustumot na hindi mga babae, nakasinsinda.
Ay, swerte. Hindi dyan ati mayat ate. Maliliwa ka nga mangtag ko. Kasi lang mo pa ate no. Nag-awid ako dagiti lang talaga nga. Tama awatan mi anak mo't nga may nga gapot sa rabo ko na matidado. Ay, saan niya bagbagat ka? Ano, ada no one. Dati pag sisiran. Kasi no, makapangan ka hindi mayat. No, da binungon nga ko na da di mayat. Maragsakan din natin makakasititod mo. Kanyada. No, dati kasi kadakil nga pwestong ate, man mo pati ipakwada. Tikang di. Tagmalang. No, 110 for the whole. Una nga malpas no pati mga 2 o'clock. Ay, 1 o'clock. Breakdown ka. Sa bagay ate. Wow naman natin. Siyempre, di pa nag-breakdown mo, it takes a while. Kasi dyan ako ate. Mayat ate, among adot abirbiro piti haway, tahamdam mo DJ distributor mo ko. Bakit magaling mo lahat ng mangyari. No, the time mo, but minsan kit time ko nada. Thank you ate sa time mo. Baliwak tumanon, mayak tumanon. Yeah. Tumamot sa bali. Kaya ate ko. 4:30. Buti may hangin. Kanak mong kilo dati, madadya magam lugan te danon ta.
Ay.
Atin. Ayan ang cute turtle. Dalian natin maglakad para makahanap tayo ng kamatis. Maubos na yun. Wala nang
Ay, ang magatang mo kamatis eh.
ay sigurado tibagsak na dahil tayo ni kakuan. Diba?
That's what I've seen so far.
Si dati nga member damana, ang damdamagan na namok DJ upline da. Ba't mo handang active? Ang kami ang itigayan niya, di kita Hello Kitty nga berbero ka. Try me one. Ooh, that's so cute. So, oh, that's
Unfortunately, the bad. You can get a card, but I don't.
oh, wow, that's nice. That's sick. It's charming. Damag ko man naman na deta ni. Deta basit nga deta. Hey, look. Pangbuhok pala, Dad. Huwag ganyan. Tingnan
Yeah.
natin kung magkano.
Bilisan natin. Init.
Tara, kasi painit na siya. Ay, kasi mas maganda mga shape ng ano, oh.
Wala ka dyan ba? Ang dala lang. Ate,
Magkano ba ito?
$12.
Kung nga 12. 12 yung isang ganito. Pero mas malaki ito.
What's that, strawberry?
It's strawberry.
Oh, it's all 12.
Strawberry water. At the very end of the corner over there. Like down that way.
Oh, it's 2. That's okay. Let's go then we go next. Parang may makuha ng bako ng kamatis. Paikot tayo. Yan. Na-video mo na yan.
Shock.
Shaka. Oh, wow. Hi!
Ay.
Hi, Miss March. How are you? The whole team missed you. I'm still there. The whole team missed you. Lelani there. Only now I drop by. Yeah, my help. Yeah, but one time he come drop by too because I forgot his name. Tall guy, but he's not there also. He's
There's Orlando.
not Orlando.
Jonah.
Yeah, cause he's sick, I think.
Huh?
But once in a while he come drop by there, say hi, hello. I forgot his name. Sorry about that. But
Dexter.
not Dexter. She get the close friend. Not Ricky. Ricky was there last night.
Is he there? Is he back in the Philippines?
Ricky? Yeah, he's around last night. Yes. Yeah. Maybe quick. Just come and say hi. That way. We're almost done.
Over there. I miss everybody.
Oh, I know. Look more.
And I stay real busy here with this.
Yeah. Why not?
And I'm selling fabric online too, so that's.
Oh, you
keeping me
do
really
online
busy.
now
Yeah.
for the fabric. Oh, I see. But you still do bags like that, like before.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I don't have those on there.
Oh,
I
but
have
only
everything
here.
else on.
That's nice.
'Cause I go through them so fast.
Mm. That's good. One time I'll take a look in the online. Yeah, because when I come home from, it's already like ready to take a rest. It's early in the morning when I reach home already, refresh and then take a rest already.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Everybody,
Bye.
bye.
Okay, I will. I'm going back tomorrow, so I can tell Leilani them the whole team. All right, Marshall. Bye. Nabayaran doon. Nag-retire nga ni Sunod Taluan.
Ayo.
Yeah. So na siguro nag-orderan dali kay cover ti patiluaw.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, let's go to the other side. Very good.
Malagip ko hindi ko kadali. May six pack pa.
Oh,
Diyan yung matanda daw dito, yung $3 yung kamatis. Kasi kailangan natin ng kamatis dito sa Talbos.
apa yung unti kamatis mo dyan?
At doon sa lang, in kwak sa daddy may maysan. In love ko si daddy marunggay be.
Oh, yeah?
So may isa lang tinabatin. Remember di mangalak ko na. Buy two get one free. Nice. Oh, this one I like. Oh, beautiful. This is very beautiful. I like this. Gotcha. From Oregon. Ah. Dad, this is someone from Oregon.
Huh?
Japanese
Oh,
maple. Yeah. Maybe that one for Japan. Oh, this one the whole. Where's this? Oh, look, this in Lahaina. Look. Oh, good. This is the place I went before it happened. Right here. I'm here. This side. You just follow from the
Up and down all the time. Where are you guys from?
We live here.
Huh? You
We,
live here?
we live here. I work Lahaina side.
Huh?
We live here. I work for Lahaina side.
Oh,
I used to
see.
work at the Luau.
Oh, okay.
This is the place I love to go.
Yeah, but no
Yeah.
more now.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to have one like this.
Yeah, that's a good
And
idea.
I'm
We have it
riding.
this size. We also have this size too.
Mm. Oh. How much is if this is
This
the-
one is Kamaaina price. It's 300 in the gallery today. We got it. I can do it for 175. For this one, 175. And these are 75. Buy two of these, get one free.
If I get two and then you give me extra one?
Yeah, you buy two of these, two of anyone, then you get one free.
I like this one because this is the place I went before it happened.
You remember this place?
Yeah, I remember that place.
Yeah, that was kind of nice over the
Yeah, by the ocean.
and it has a nice see the frame, and then this goes right there.
The battery for so it's more bloom at nighttime.
Oh no, there's no battery. No, this is just the hook.
Ah, for the hook. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Oh, cool. I'll be back when I'm ready.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I got you. Thank you so much.
yeah, my parents decided to live on Maui back in the 70s.
Let me take a look this way.
So they moved over to Milwaukee. Yeah, see, we were on Oahu, and then we moved to Maui.
May talbos na tayo. Pero may sayuti doon. Next time sayutin kunin natin. May talbos na tayo ng kamuti ngayon.
Okay.
Titingnan ko lang kung may kamatis pa doon. Oh wow, look at this. Dad, can you video this? Patani. My mom's favorite.
Wait.
We want one mango strawberry instead of the.
Do you have tomato po? Oh, okay. I only seen the pepper, which is the red one. Thank you. How much is this kind?
The strawberries there.
My dad's favorite one.
Strawberry banana. You have almost all my strawberry flavors. This is lava flow.
How much is that tomato? Per bag? Is it per pound? How much per pound? Not $3.
$5.
Now come down the price. Last month $5, but now come down.
Yeah, I get when it's $5. Maybe three is the $4. Three, only three one. I'll try. If how much? Mm. Hello. Same one, even this kind, because this is different one. Same, four pounds. $4 per pound. Oh. This one.
Talo nga kamatis.
Yeah, it's
Alam kamatis lang.
talo kamatis laeng. Baka ko dito yun, nadagsun dati yun.
Ano ba yung natalo kamatis?
Kamatis dollar.
$5.
$5.
Ay, so,
Talagang dollars ang kamatis.
talagang ano na yan.
Nangina nga
$5.
talaga ako.
Di pa pala nagbago, $5 lagi kuha ko sa'yo. Ala, nakukulang na rin ata tayo. Kaya nga eh, $3 na yun.
Kamatis.
Ay, handa ko. I give you quarter.
Mamaya ewan ko kung mag-down yung price kasi.
Oo.
Mahal kasi ang gas. Eh ngayon, magmura yata ang gas.
Magmumura na yata, no? Okay, sakto.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Hi, Mari.
Pawisan na.
Yeah.
Kendrick's favorite and Shayna. Cute.
Yeah.
Let's go. Vlog mo naman ako.
Pawisan.
Pawisan na. Oh, look at that. Get the chicken. Mabigat kasi ma-juicy to.
Puro buto yan.
Puro buto ang laman.
Lemonades. Freshly squeezed lemonade.
Wow. Mainit.
This art.
Oh, sabi.
Kasi di pa mo isalas mo.
No.
So,
Lagi ko na nga lang nakikita yan.
anti-abay bed mo. Pero makaring ka kay... Makaring ka kay so timakita.
Kasi mapaglihian. Oh, they get the mango bread.
Popcorn.
That's what I did. Kung ang meron
$8.
baka nang iba-vlog.
I think I'm done. Let's go.
I think we're done.
Yeah.
Ikot na tayo dito. Ano?
Then,
Or dito na tayo pabalik.
Balik tayo rito.
Oh, wala birthday. Ay, ito yun, oh. Ang ganda.
You know, it's not all of them turn out really good, you know, so that's where we like, if you have better ones, but if you want, I'll give you a card and you have a tapered video.
Stone curve,
What? Stone curve?
$93.
93.
Yep. Grinds. Agustina
Man
Grinds.
cave.
Filipino food.
Loco Moco, $10.
You're gonna pay $10 in through Apple Pay.
Can you give me the money?
Oh.
Wait, are you sure it's $10 for free water?
That's what she said.
All right.
Anything else?
Tara, do you need water? Sorry. Drinks up.
Okay, let's go.
So let's go.
Pudo.
Pudo to. Aloha Ohana. Huge. Init.
Parang ilingit mo. Lingit. Lingit. Di mo inalam mo tayo electric pan mo. Oh,
Hindi ba bagarot ang anak mo? Agong
nangipan.
batam mo yan nun.
Ay, sus. Wildlife.
Tinduling ko dito, baka babawin na ako. Lalong at lang
Lalalang mo na biro ka na.
napukawon. Wow, look at that. Can you
Shit.
video that, honey? That's so beautiful. Look at that. Over there.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Video mo nga. Yan ang ganda. Parang ano yan.
Look at the shave ice. Yee, looks
Wow,
yummy.
looks yummy.
Alright, thank you.
Enjoy. Looks, you're welcome.
You need a best for your ring? Okay?
Yan pala yun yung may mga slipper na
Kiwis
ganyan.
right there. What do you have?
Some guava bread.
Okay.
All organic. There's no nuts, no dairy, no gluten.
No preservatives.
No preserve.
I'll try one.
You want to try one?
Thank you. I'll
Of
try it.
course. You get one for 12, two for 20.
Very well.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Of course. Let me know if you
I
have any more
appreciate it.
questions.
Thank
Yeah,
you
sure.
so
But
much.
it's really
Thank
good.
you.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And she's got guava bread too.
Farm fresh honey then. I like the guava.
Yeah. Famous.
Yeah. Lemons, but kind of like too sweety. That's right here. Yeah.
Oh, that's the pricing right there.
Oh yes, I know, yes.
All right, I appreciate you. Wait, you guys have a bag?
3%.
So I'm gonna give you guys something.
Oh, that's your favorite one. I get. Thank you. Oh, hair braid 7. Yan o, video mo ngayon. Mga maliliit.
Hello Kitty.
How much your cute Hello Kitty? 15? Thank you. Oh, more cute the one close to you. The brown one, cute. Thank you. Ang dami. Ang dami mapagpipilian.
Tibado nga lang akong awan pa'y kaparas natin.
Un, lagi dia berbado ya.
Yeah, dapat titira ko.
Awan nag-lock. Sige, tika.
Pagalan na permit naman ng
Si 100 something DJ pag malmalin nga pagbayad. Then malutin.
Yata.
Yan.
Mamaya mo na to. Ito?
Cinnamon.
Maybe you're gonna split it off right now. You don't wanna wait in the car?
All right, let's go home. That's it. That's it, pansit.
That's it. Ito. Na-burn ko na yung calories ko na eh. Wala pang 10.
Pero may lingi. Ito pagsukat ng arod.
Kung naroon.
Ay, sus. Hi guys. All we have right now today.
That's it, pansit today. Sad. Pupunasan ko muna.
Dogs, what them?
Awan.
Alam mo, extra piece.
Diyan na nga.
Pudot nga yun.
Napudo ang tatang. Bagtan eh. Dapuloy na.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Huge.
Breeze, eh?
Huge. Pagdating ko sa loob, itataas ko yung buhok ko. Tanggalin ko na tong visor.
parking ang tao. Sagong.
Layo eh. Hindi mo nilapit kanina. Ang daming parkingan pa dyan.
Ayos mo. Ano makapaglakad ka?
Oo naman.
Exercise. Alright. After swap
Right
meet,
here.
patingin ng looks. After swap. Magaling ito. Alright. Ano ginagawa mo?
That's it for today.
Puro bag. Kamatis.
Buhay pa ang coin first ko from Singapore.
Busog.
Yeah, para makain ko ng musog.
Alright, let's go. Alright, that's it for today, guys.